Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Kubernetes customization. Okay, what is customization? How we need to use in the real time? We'll discuss that thing. Suppose I have a cluster, I have EKS cluster. Okay, my application is running on this cluster. Okay, with deployment file, service file, ML, HPA, ingress files, everything. Okay, now in this already my files are my application is running on this cluster. Okay, I want to make some updation on the deployment file or service file or ingress file, anything. Okay, that time I don't need to touch the existing base files. Okay, so I don't need to touch the existing base file. Suppose consider this is the base file. Okay, base application. Okay, in this base application I don't need to touch my deployment file or service file or ingress files. Okay, service file or ingress file. Okay, so I need to customize and I need to update the deployment file. Suppose in the deployment I have pods running on one, so I need to update it my replicas instead of three or four. Okay, that time we will use the customization and we can achieve these tasks. Okay, so customization is customization lets you to create the entire application out of the individual pieces without touching the ML configuration files, the individual components. Okay, the in the existing base application, I don't need to modify any configuration files. So outside we need to write the customization files and we have to update that same thing. Okay, let me get into the demo so we can understand the thing. Okay, so let me create a folder, KDAR customization, customize. Okay, cd customize. So under this customize I am creating some base files. Okay, let me create one more directory. So base, cd base. So here suppose I have to deploy my application, so I need to write a deployment file. So deploy.ml. So let me copy this deployment.ml file. So this is my deployment.ml file. So API version, this one, kind is deployment, metadata, this is the name of the deployment. So here I use the namespaces. Okay, this is the namespace. So I created the dev namespace. Okay, and labels Nginx and the replicas. I'm currently one replica. Okay, and matching label Nginx template Nginx. Okay, this is the part. Okay, Nginx spec. Okay, this is the container port. So I don't want to create a deployment individually. Let me create a service file also. So va service.oml. Let me go back. This is the service file. So under service file also, kind is service. Okay. Metadata Nginx service. I'm giving that and namespace labels. The type is load balancer. Okay. My cluster is EKS cluster. So I use the load balancer and the selector is Nginx, the port number, the outside port is 80 and container port is 80 and the protocol is TCP. Now I need to create a namespace. Okay, va namespace dot yml. So let me create a namespace as well. Sorry. So kind is namespace. API version v1, kind is namespace, metadata just namespace dev. My namespace is dev. Okay. So now I need to customize these three into customization file. Okay. I need to write a customization file. So customization.ml. This is the customization ML. So here the API version is customize.config. Kubernetes.io, the v1 beta means this one still is in testing. It is not finalized this version. So this API version still under development only. So kind is customization, namespace dev. Okay, here common label is Nginx. Okay, resources. I'm keeping namespace deployment service everything into these resources. Okay, now I am going back. So this is my base. Okay, base one. So I need to create the deployment. Okay, so for this one just need to do kubectl apply. Okay, hyphen k base. So it is created namespace and service it is created, Nginx it is created. Okay, now if you want you can check now kubectl get deploy hyphen n dev because it is a development namespace. Okay, my deployment is running. Same thing if you want you can check that kubectl get pods hyphen n dev. Okay, my pods are running. My okay, I gave replica 1, so it is running on one pod only. So now suppose I wanted to update my replicas as a 3. Okay, that time you want me to write a replication file for the deployment. Okay, you don't need to touch the existing files. Basically how we will do, we will go to again deployment file and we can update. See, if I want to update the my replicas, okay, basically we need to go to cd base. Okay, and the deployment we will edit the deployment file, right? So in this case I don't want to touch this this replication. I don't want to update it from here. Okay, I need to go back and update from outside. So for that one, I just need to write a replication file like whatever the changes you want me to go. So you just need to update that one. So replication patch, okay, replica patch.ml. So let me write one ML file here. Okay, replica replicas hyphen patch.ml. So here what I wanted to do, kind is deployment, metadata nginx deployment, replicas 3. Okay, so I wanted to update my in the deployment replication as 3. Okay, this is a small change I am going to do, and I need to write a customization also here. From outside I just need to write a customization. Okay, let me write the customization ML. So under customization I just need to write this one. Okay, this is the API version. API version is Kubernetes config, customize.config dot this one. and kind is customization, namespace dev, under base. Okay, this is the current directory. Under current directory there is a base, so under base my deployment files are there, so it will be patch strategic merge. Okay, so replica that patch, right? So this one I just need to be updated. So if I check my current directory, right, so I'm into this customization. Here my customize replicas patch.ml file and customization file is under base. There is a deployment file, right? The under deployment my replication need to be updated. Currently I have one replica, right? See kubectl get pods hyphen n dev. Currently only one pod is running. I just wanted to update it as a 3. Okay, so I don't want to touch that existing deployment file. I have written the um, replicas deployment file under that one. I just customized that file. Okay, so now I just need to update it kubectl apply hyphen k dot current directory. See, namespaces I didn't touch it because that's why it is unchanged. Services I didn't touch, it is unchanged. Only deployment I have changed. This is configured. Okay, if you check now kubectl get pods, now it have 3 files. Okay, now it is updated as a 3. Okay, this is the customization. Okay, we didn't touch the existing files. Okay, from outside we have updated this replicas. Okay, that's all about the customization. So if you want to delete, see customization by default it will comes under version 1.4. Okay, you don't need to install anything. So customization install comes pre-bundled with kubectl version from greater than 1.4. You can check the version in kubectl version. Okay, so if you are greater than 1.4, you don't need to be install anything. So my kubectl version is 1.19 kubectl version hyphen short. If you give, see my kubectl version 1.9.6. So I don't want it to install anything. By default it will come. Okay, so that's all about this customization. Okay, this is the advanced topic in Kubernetes. Okay, that's all about in this session. Thank you. Bye.